If you're seeing Godaddy email error 1001, don't worry. This usually points to a DNS issue or a network problem that's stopping your email service from connecting properly. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Godaddy email error 1001 step by step so you can get your Microsoft 365 email working again without guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Godaddy account and go to your products page. From there, find the domain that's connected to your email and click DNS next to that domain. This is where all of your important email records are stored, and checking them is the key step in solving this error. Now, if you recently changed your domain host or moved your website, there's a good chance your DNS records are not configured correctly yet. The most important thing to check first is your Autodiscover CNAME record. You want to make sure there is a CNAME record with the name Autodiscover, and the value should be autodiscover.outlook.com. This record helps Microsoft 365 locate your email service correctly, so if it's missing or typed incorrectly, your email can fail to load and trigger error 1001. Next, verify your MX records. MX records control where your incoming email gets delivered, so if they're wrong, your messages may not reach the right mailbox. In your Godaddy DNS settings, confirm that the MX records are configured for Microsoft 365. If you see old values from a previous provider, outdated mail servers, or anything that doesn't match Microsoft 365, that needs to be corrected. Take your time here and double check every detail. Even a small typo in the record name or destination can keep the error from clearing. If you're not sure what a record should look like, compare it carefully with Godaddy's Microsoft 365 email setup requirements. After you've confirmed the Autodiscover and MX records, go back to your email and Office dashboard in Godaddy. From there, look for the option that says Recheck DNS. Click that so Godaddy can verify whether your current DNS settings are now correct. This step is important because it forces the system to check your updated records instead of relying on the old configuration. If the recheck passes, give the email service a few minutes to refresh, then try opening your inbox again. In many cases, this is enough to solve the issue. If it still doesn't work right away, wait a little longer, since DNS changes can sometimes take time to propagate across the internet. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because error 1001 can sometimes appear when there's a temporary network problem rather than a DNS problem. Restarting your browser, signing out and back in, or testing from another device can also help confirm whether the issue is with your settings or your connection. The main thing to remember is this. Godaddy email error 1001 is usually caused by incorrect DNS records, especially Autodiscover CNAME and MX records. Once those are fixed and rechecked, your Microsoft 365 email should start working normally again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.